Hey there, what are today's messages? Let's pick some cards and see what we get today. Number 8, music. Bring yourself into divine harmony. Facing fear, courage, inner strength. What fears are you facing today? Serene sanctuary. Find inner peace and serene sanctuary amidst life's challenges in your journey. Blossoming stitches. And what else do we need to hear today? Number 53, stranger and curiosity. What are you going to get curious about today? And some quotes for today. Today, you could be the reason someone feels hope, seen, loved, validated, and understood. You are what you think. Your life stems from your thoughts. Negative thinking may occasionally enter your mind, but you need not let these thoughts take root. Remember, it is you who decides what fills your mind. Choose healthy, happy thoughts. Gratitude makes sense of our past, brings peace for today, and creates a vision for tomorrow. Most dramas disappear once you hang out with smarter and more thoughtful people. And the last one today. Set boundaries and be okay with losing people who are not for you. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.